In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put photo on Gmail account. Having a profile photo helps people recognize your messages at a glance, and it shows up across Gmail, Google Meet, and other Google services. Let's walk through it together, step by step, so you can update yours in just a couple of minutes. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. If you're not already signed in, enter your account details to access your inbox. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see a circular icon. This might be your initials, a generic avatar, or an existing photo. Click that profile icon to open your account menu. In the panel that appears, choose the option to change your profile picture. Depending on your current setup, it may say add a profile picture or change. Click that and a photo picker window will open. You'll see a few options, but we're going to use upload from device. Go ahead and click upload from device to select an image that's stored on your computer. If you prefer to use a picture from your Google Photos, you'll notice that option too, but we'll stick with uploading directly. Your computer's file browser will pop up. Navigate to the folder where your photo lives, select the image you want, and then click open. For the best results, choose a clear, high-resolution image, ideally with your face centered and good lighting. JPG or PNG files work great, and a simple background helps your photo look clean in the small circular frame Gmail uses. After the file uploads, you'll see a cropping and positioning tool. Drag the image to center it and use the zoom slider if you need to get a tighter crop. Pay attention to the circular preview. This is how your picture will appear to others. When it looks right, click Next to move on. Finally, confirm your choice by clicking Save as Profile Picture. Gmail will apply your changes, and your new photo should update across your Google account. It may take a few minutes to appear everywhere, so don't worry if you don't see it instantly in every app or on every device. A quick refresh of Gmail usually shows the change right away in your inbox. That's it. You've successfully added a photo to your Gmail account. If you ever want to change it again, just repeat these same steps. Pick a clear, friendly image, center it nicely, and save. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your refreshed profile.